Mr. Harmless here, and we're working on these parallel lines, proportional parts. And notice we don't have the triangle. You could make a triangle, like if this line kept going and this line kept going, it'd be a really tall triangle. And so it's technically the same idea what we're dealing with here. It's saying if you've got three parallel lines, they're also going to create proportional parts. So this whatever number that's here over this number, I just switch colors, uh, is going to be equal to this number over this number, right? That's what they have right there. So if you have three lines that are parallel, it's still going to create proportional parts. Same thing over here. It doesn't matter which direction it's facing. So they're showing you one just facing a different direction. U over V, W over X. If U over V equals 1, then W over X equals 1. This is just talking about, well, what if it's the same measurement here? Well, if it's the same measurement here as here, then this one's going to be the same, which is the same idea that's there. Um, this is a fairly easy one to do. Let's take a look at this example. There's only one example here. It says an L1, L2, L3 above. If A is 3, so let's just put the numbers there. If this, instead of being A, we now know it's 3. If B is 8, okay, so this is 8. C is 5. Find this one. So there's my X. 3 over 8. Notice I always like these because the diagram actually looks like my problem. 3 over 8 equals 5 over x. Do you see that? 3 over 8 equals 5 over x. I always like this because it actually looks like the problem that I'm going to work out. 3 over 8, 5 over x. Cross multiply, 5 times 8, 40. 3 times x, 3x. Divide both sides by 3. It is not going to come out evenly. I'm going to grab my calculator because it is not coming out evenly. I could guesstimate. It didn't say round to the nearest tenth, but I could. So 40 divided by 3. So 13.3 repeating. So if we round it off, 13.3 is my answer. Don't know why that looked different. All right, so there's the example. That's the last part of this lesson. Try those exercises underneath of this on your paper. And after you try those exercises, watch the video where I talk about I talk about the right answers for those and see if you can figure out what the correct answers are for those problems. All right. If you have any questions, just let me know.